Hello friends, this is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobile's RYK YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Apple Cache unavailable error on my iPhone, iPad and iPod Touch. You can see appears on screen my Apple Wallet shows Apple Cache unavailable. Apple Pay services are currently unavailable. Please try again later. So guys, how to fix this issue? Tap on OK. Tap on Apple Cache toggle, turn it on. Enter my Apple ID password. You can see appears on screen. Enter Apple ID password. Tap on sign in. It will take some seconds to wait. You can see appears on screen. Apple Pay cache unavailable. How to fix it? Go back to home. Open the settings app. Tap on the sign into Apple ID page. Tap on sign out. Enter your Apple ID password and sign out, and sign in back after few seconds. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying solution number 2. Solution number 2 is check iOS update. Tap on settings app. Tap on general. Tap on software update. You can see appears on screen checking for update. You can see appears on screen update is not available. If update is available, download and install the update and fix this problem. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying solution number 3. Solution number 3 is check iPhone language and region. Tap on settings app. Tap on general. Tap on iPhone language and region. Tap on region. Tap on United States. Tap on, you can see appears on screen my iPhone language is already selected United States, and United States is available for Apple Pay. And check your App Store region. Tap on App Store. Tap on profile icon. Tap on Apple ID. It will take some seconds to wait. You can see appears on screen sign in required. Enter Apple ID password. Tap on sign in. It will take some seconds to wait. Tap on country and region. You can see appears on screen change country or region. Tap on it. Scroll up. Make sure your country and App Store country is same or supported with Apple Pay. Select United States. Tap on agree. Tap on agree. Select none option. Enter your billing information. State New York. And zip code is 10001. Enter any information. Tap on next. You can see appears on screen my phone number is not 7 digits. Tap on next. Tap on done. Go back to home. Open the settings app. Open the Apple Wallet Pay. Add Apple Card option and enter Apple ID password. Tap on sign in. It will take some seconds to wait. You can see appears on screen. Not showing. Fix this problem. Go back to home and check your country is supported for Apple Pay or not. Search supported Apple Pay countries. Open the first link. You can see appears on screen list. If your country is portable, then check your list. If not portable, then change your App Store country or iOS device country. Open the settings app. Tap on App Store. Go back. App Store. Tap on profile icon and tap on Apple ID. Tap on manage payments. Remove payment method and again enter payment method. That's it. If all solutions are not working, now reset your iOS device. Tap on settings app. Tap on general. Tap on reset. Reset all settings. Enter iPhone passcode and reset all settings to confirm this action. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix Apple Pay Cash unavailable error on iPhone and iPad. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.